not ask if she believed in God. She's not a Christian.
She could be a Jew and believe in
It
God.
doesn't matter. She's tampering in dark-sided stuff. Yes, she did. The entire house is dark-sided.
He said her whole house is...
She is dark-sided too. This is tainted. I don't want it. Whatever it is tainted. Whatever it is, I'm giving it. I give it up to God. I'm a God warrior. And I don't want someone with tainted anything in beliefs doing anything with my family. Gargoyles, psychics, everything's ungodly. Dark-sided, get the hell out of my house. In Jesus' name I pray. I don't want to see a book of witches. I don't want to see anything, any stars. I don't want to see any of this dark-sided psychics, all the things, tarot card reading. I rebuke it in the name of the Lord. Shut your goofy ass up, Shutcho. Shut your dumb ass up, Shutcho. Shut your goofy ass up, Shutcho. Shut your dumb ass. They say they want money, but all they do is one name now. All they do is complain. Bet you thought that shit was funny now. You thought you was doing something. How you hating on the Lord's Day then? How you hating on a Sunday? Go and take a look at yours. Yours is that weird sweat. Weird money, weird bitches, weird that. Probably see her in her way.